Meaning of Houston.
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 Houston. Houston is a city located in the state of Texas, United States. The name Houston is derived from the surname of Sam Houston, who was a prominent leader in the Texas Revolution and later became the first president of the Republic of Texas. With a population of over 2 million people, Houston is the fourth most populous city in the United States. It is known for its oil and gas industry, as well as being home to NASA's Johnson Space Center, which trains astronauts for space missions. Houston is also culturally diverse, with a thriving arts and culinary scene.